Hello friends, welcome to YouTube Expo channel. Today we will be going to learn about few Excel formulas which are very handy in sorting information from small to large data, and how we can use the if formula over here with specific condition to find out and sort the information in precise way. Whereas we will be using to know about count, COUNTIF, COUNTIFs, how they are so helpful while sorting the information, as well as COUNTA and COUNTBLANK too. So let's start over here. This is the data of a school students where they have got their marks as a whole in percentage, and this is the criteria with percentage where we have to know if they fall in such category, what would be their criteria results. So we have to bring up these results from here to here against the percentage results. So here friends, we will use the if formula. Just have to mention equal to and if formula. So we will drag this tab from here to formula bar, and we'll start writing over here as well. So it is asking for logical test. Our logical test is cell number H3. So we click over here and we mention if H3 is less than 33, then comma, the value if true we want, then we will write over there fail. If somebody is getting less than 33, they will get fail. And again we put comma and start new formula, same with if, because we have to mention all these condition up to distinction over here in the formula to get results against all these percentage student has got. So we start next condition, if H3 and B, then what happens, then inverted comma and over there pass and comma, start if condition again for next percentage, that is the logical test is remain as 3 cell. Why it is remain as 3, I'll let you know in a moment. If it is less than 60, then what happens, comma, third 3 are the third space division, and inverted comma and comma, and again we'll start formula, and this time again S3 less than 70. And here condition is if it is less than 70, then it should be second division. This way we'll use up to distinction left and less than 90, then what happens, should stay first division. Last one over here is for if condition we are putting here to get the appropriate results depending on the percentage. If H3 less than 100, then the result should be distinction for the student has got marks between 91 to 100. And don't get the results from 33 to 100, then put comma and not applicable. Applicable has not has to be written in short form, and then and we have put originally if for first time, then afterwards we have put if for 1, 2, 3, 4, five times. So we have to put five brackets over here, make sure, and then click enter and click over here, yes. You will get the results. Now friends, you see I put the right formula here, but I get the fail answer. Reason being, I didn't put the percentage sign after the each passing percentage marks. So in case if you are not using the percentage, then it means you are using without percentage and you might get the right answer over there as well. This time we have to put the percentage sign because we are using it again this H column where all the percentages has been mentioned. So you see now if I drag it down, I get the right answer over here. So friend, that's how you will be able to get the right answer against the percentage by putting the if formula with condition. Now we will move to count. Count formula is used about how many cells are there in the data in the range we have used. So we click on equal to count and our range is this, and then click enter. It means 17 cells in each column, of which range we have given here. It shows 17 cells. And for COUNTIF formula, and it's very interesting, ask for range. My range is this. Now what is my criteria? My criteria is how many students have got greater than 80% marks. Make sure to put inverted comma and you put the condition over here and close the bracket and you will get the answer 4. So friends, let's see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 students are having got more than 80% marks here. But you can see here one student is getting 80% as well, but he is not coming up over here. Reason being we have used the greater than sign here. So let's do how count ifs formula going to be work out for us. We are looking over here, so you will be able to understand the kind of information you can get from COUNTIFs for your requirement as well. So here criteria range is percentage, and here I am saying how many students have got more than 80% marks. Similarly, like earlier I mentioned, but the formula is not finished yet. Now it's asking for criteria range too. After putting comma, my criteria range is how many students from out of this country's range I have selected right now, especially from India, who have got more than 80% marks. So here the second condition is you will be able to find the specific results against the name you are selected here and mentioned over here in the formula. So you will get the right answer. So it means two students who have got more than 80% marks. So we can see out of the first four mentioned here, only one here and the last one is here. So in COUNTIF, you just get the results depending on single condition, but here you can put another condition as well against the result to get more sorted information. Let's go to the count A, that is also called COUNTA. So what happens if I select this range and then click enter? It means 1. Now friends, when I select this range, it has 17 cells in M column, but only one is filled. So COUNTA tells you how many cell has been filled out of the range you have selected here in your formula. If I selected the range up to here, it tells me 155 data has been mentioned in different cells. So friend, you can see how it works from my here to here data in case I added 3, 4, 5. It's mentioned in the wrong column. So just control that. With this one, if I mention data here, you can see information is being changed in the counter. It tells you how many cells has been filled up with data either in Word or in figure form. Now counter blank, what it tells you, count blank, sorry, count blank. For instance, I select this range up to here. Now you can see if I click enter after selecting the range, it tells me 14. Reason being, when I selected this range, these cells which are filled and these cells which are not filled has been displayed here. Means these unfilled cells out of the range I selected are mentioned here. COUNTA mention how many cells has been filled with data, but count blank mention how many cells has been left out of the range you have selected. So friend, this is very helpful for you in sorting right information in very less time, very handy. It's so very helpful for your work as well in order to get more information and then print it out and use wherever you have to use it. I hope you like this video friends. Please like and share, explore YouTube channel so I can bring up more videos for you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.